Hello everyone, welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Sunday we do not have any newspaper, so I will continue with the newspaper of yesterday, Saturday, March the 6th, 2021. In this additional, we have 4 Sudokus or puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle number 2. So 4 Sudokus and puzzles or puzzles are left to solve. But first one is a Sudoku with a 1 star, and this will be number 2432. Yes, 2432. And the printed digits, well, this one has 27. A 1 star Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. In this big square, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 9 in this column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2, 7, was 6, 7, and 8 are missing. Okay. So, let me see. 5, 8, 8, 9, 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then, yeah. 7. Then. I'm thinking. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yes, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. No. We have here the 8. The 6 and the 5. The 6 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle columns on the column next. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 or 7 are missing. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. 3. 3. 3, 5. 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We see here no 8 there. 8 should be there, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle columns of the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about 2, 4. Alright. 1. Let me think. 3. 1, 2, 5. Alright. 1, 3, 7, 4. Yeah. 6, 5. I'm thinking 6, 5, 2. 3 missing numbers in this third row. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 6 are missing in the third row. 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 here. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. 2 and a 6. Okay, I cannot mark those Need to wait. How about 5. Okay. Yeah. We have a pair. 5 and an 8 in this column. 5 and an 8 in the middle column. So in that column, the 5 and the 8 goes in these 3 boxes. We see here 5 and 8 in this row, so no 5 and 8 in that box. So the 5 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. All right. 5 and 8. The 2 is missing. The 6 is missing. 2, 6, 9. Yes, 2, 6, 9 are missing. 2, 6, 2, 6. Yeah. So these 2 boxes, we have a 5 and an 8 there. These 2 boxes in this column are the 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 2 goes there. 1 box left in the 3rd row for the number 2. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 6. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 8. How about the 9? 9. 2. Yes. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2, alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7 are missing. 1 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7 and that box should be a 3. Yeah. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. And the last 2 numbers, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku with 1 star. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.